Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add levels effect on Premiere Pro. So for that, we just need to open Premiere Pro. After opening it, we just need to drag the video clip which you want to add the effect. And then here you can see the original footage with no effects and editings. And for this video clip, I'm just going to add the effect. So for that, we just need to go to effects. If you don't have an effects over here, then here on the top you can see here menu options, and here is second last option. You can see here window, click on that, and then here is an option. You can see here effects, click on that, or otherwise you can click shift plus 7 and the effects will open. After opening the effects, you can see a search bar over here. Click on that and search for level, and then here you can see the effect levels. Drag that effect to video clip, and after dragging the effect to play your video, you can't see any difference. So after dragging the effect, you just need to select the video clip and then go to effect controls. If you don't have effect controls over here, then again go to the window, and here is an option. You can see here effect controls. Click on that, or otherwise you can click shift plus 5 and the effect controls will open. After opening the effect controls, here is a section. You can see here levels. In that section you can see here menu options, and from here you can just change whatever you wanted. And after that you play your video, you can see that you had been added levels effect to video clip on Premiere Pro. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.